Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Alka Gupta. Today I have come to one of my friends' dental clinic. She is Dr. Arjita Sood. Her clinic is in Sector 23, Palam Vihar, Swasth Dental Clinic. She is an amazing doctor, an amazing friend. So today I am visiting her clinic as patient, not as a friend, not as a doctor. I am visiting her clinic for my own teeth cleaning. So I always always tell our patients to go for routine scalings and polishings of teeth, because no matter what kind of care you take, usually what we do, we do 2 times of brushing and flossing and water flosser and all that stuff. Even then, after a year or maybe less than a year, we get yellow stains on the teeth. So I was having yellow stains on the teeth and I had to really defer my procedure because of the COVID thing. And the madam opened, I only come to her for my own dental clinic. So anybody lives in this area, Sector 23, Palam Vihar, they can safely visit Dr. Arjita. She's available on Google also. She's available on other platforms. You can call directly. I'll share her number also. She's awesome implantologist. She's awesome dentist. And I don't have words to describe her, competency. So she is following all the different kind of protocols in COVID. You can see she's beautifully dressing up all this in the alien space suit, and I cannot even recognize her. And I'm friends with her for the last 10 years. And okay, now we were talking about the importance of the scaling and polishing thing. So whenever there are a lot of myths attached with the scaling and polishing, that teeth, they get loose, they get sensitive, so probably she can vouch for that. I usually come to her only after 8 or 9 months. I come to her and I get my teeth cleaned. She gets her teeth cleaned, and our teeth are absolutely fine. And today I'll be making a different video where you'll be watching actually scaling and polishing done on my teeth, and after that a beautiful smile. And that is a regular activity, no matter what you do. If you take any kind of coloring substances during your normal eating, like in a year, like usually we take tea, coffees, and lot of haldi in our food, and lot of calcium salts are there in our saliva. So they get deposited, small layers, they get deposited over the teeth, and there are staining over the teeth. And it's really essential to remove all those stains, because lot of cavities, they hide under those stains. Am I right, Dr. Arjita? So Dr. Arjita is going to perform scaling and polishing right now on my teeth. So there is one more message I want to give through this video, that going to dental clinic is extremely safe. Do not worry. Lot of patients are coming to my dental clinic, and lot of patients are coming to Dr. Arjita's dental clinic. You can see when she is like a doctor, kind of stuff she is wearing, I don't know, she must be suffocating in it. When I work in my clinic, I also wear the same kind of stuff. So please, doctors are going through a lot of pains during this COVID time, and to ensure that you and your family is safe while you visit our clinic. So do not keep your teeth, whenever, if you are in pain, do not hesitate to visit any dental clinic. They are absolutely safe. Okay, so here we are taking all the precaution of the COVID-19, starting from the sanitizations, sanitizing the operatory, doctor doing the social distancing thing. Right now I am in the clinic and nobody else is sitting in the clinic outside in the waiting or anywhere else. So let's start with the scaling procedure. So I think I'll post that video along with this, and let's see a beautiful smile. Okay, thank you. Now I'm seated in dental chair. First rule of going to any dental clinic is please do not wear lipstick, because doctor is going to wipe that off, that first thing. And so please do not waste your lipstick. So I did that too. Lot of patients do that. Do not do that. Okay, so Dr. Arjita's assistant is going to put a drape on me. Okay, so Manish, you can put a drape on me. So he's going to put a disposable drape on me. So Dr. Arjita is right now managing the scaling unit and everything, to check whether everything is, everything is pre-sterilized in the clinic. So she had already sanitized the operatory and the chair set up for me beforehand. And right now the water is set, a scaler is set, and believe me, I am little scared sitting in this chair and behaving like patient is a little scary. So she'll be all over me. So let's hope for the best. Okay. As per Dr. Arjita saying that this won't be painful, I am really hoping so. And I'm really bad as a patient. I'm really scared. And please put up pulse oximeter on me. I'm really scared. Okay, so let's start the procedure. So finally my cleaning part is done. So Dr. Arjita is going to do now polishing part. Polishing part is whenever the cleaning part is done. So the plaque and calculus is removed. So there are some rough stains on the teeth, rough parts on the teeth which need to be smoothed out. So she is going to polish my teeth with the help of a polishing agent. This is not a whitening agent. This is just going to smoothen up the rough surfaces. And after that she is going to apply a coat of whitening gel over my teeth. And let's see how that comes out. So right now we are going with the polishing. So she is now preparing the equipment for the polishing. This is a polishing device. There is a polishing paste. There is a polishing brush. So we are going to do polishing. Okay, let's start. So my polishing is also done. So Dr. Arjita, it was really awesome experience. She has amazing hand. I felt no pain, nothing, no poking, nothing at all. It was such a comfortable experience. And thankfully I have no cavities. And she labeled me as good patient that I follow her instructions and do not move here and there. And right now we are proceeding with the one session of whitening. So I believe that teeth are a very, very important part of our personality. So whenever somebody looks at your face, the first thing they notice is first the eyes and then the teeth. So teeth should be as flawless as possible. So there are various cosmetic things available to enhance the beauty of the teeth. First of all, to remove slight yellowness of the teeth, bleaching procedures are there which are quite safe. It all depends upon how many bleaching sessions you take. Right now I'm going for 1 or probably 2, and maximum 4 dentists advise, not beyond that. And secondly, you can change the shape and size of your teeth with the help of dental veneers, which is awesome treatment. So guys, any treatment, any cosmetic treatment which is designed for the teeth is not going to, it's always be keep in mind that they do not harm any of the important tooth structure. They do not harm the tooth structure at all. So within the biological limits, within the tooth limits, whatever we can achieve the cosmetic results, we provide to the patient. So right now she is going to apply a cosmetic gel, bleaching gel over my teeth for, it will stay for how much minutes, Dr. Saab, 8 or 10 minutes? 8 minutes for it. It's different bleaching gels have different bleaching cycles. So she is going to put a bleaching gel which has 8-minute cycle. Okay. So after getting over with 8-minute cycle, I'll check my teeth. If I'm happy with the white color, I'll ask her to stop. If I'm not, I'll ask her to put one more coat, which will again last for 8 minutes. So most of the people think there are a lot of side effects of bleaching. There are not if it is done by professional hands, and if it is done in a good clinic, and if it is done by good bleaching agents. There are a lot of bleaching agents which are available on online marketing, Amazon and all other stuff. Those are very harmful chemicals. So whenever you opt for any bleaching service, go to a reputed dentist who has lot of experience in bleaching. Ask for a good product. Do not ruin your teeth by using the cheap products on your teeth. So now we are going ahead with the bleaching session. Dr. Saab is waiting for me, so I'm taking along. Okay, thank you. So guys, you can see my smile is much better than before, much brighter than before, and it is definitely going to enhance my self-confidence in my clinic. So I am extremely grateful to Dr. Archita Sood, and soon we are going to reveal who is Dr. Archita Sood, and she's going to remove her PPE kit in, I think, in another half an hour, and then I'll show you her face. And she's extremely sweet, beautiful doctor. And thank you, Dr. Archita, for doing such an amazing